Ever stared at your Trello board, that beautiful organized space of tasks and to-dos, and thought, wait a minute, how do I actually change anything here? You're not alone. Trello, while incredibly intuitive for managing workflows, can sometimes leave you scratching your head when it comes to the nitty-gritty of editing. Think of your Trello board as a dynamic, ever-evolving project hub. Things change, deadlines shift, priorities get shuffled, new ideas pop up, and tasks get completed. To keep your board a true reflection of reality, you need to know how to wield the power of the edit. Imagine trying to manage a complex project where you couldn't rename a task, add crucial details, or even move things around. Chaos, right? That's why mastering the art of editing in Trello is absolutely fundamental to boosting your productivity and keeping your projects on track. So, whether you're a Trello newbie just finding your way around or a seasoned user looking to refine your editing skills, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into the various ways you can tweak, adjust, and completely overhaul your Trello boards to make them work exactly the way you need them to. Forget those frustrating moments of clicking around aimlessly. By the end of this, you'll be a Trello editing pro. Let's start with the absolute basics. Editing card titles and descriptions. These are the cornerstones of any Trello board, providing at-a-glance information and detailed context for each task. To edit a card title, it's as simple as clicking directly on the title of the card you want to modify. The title will become editable, allowing you to type in your changes. Hit Enter or click outside the title field to save your new title. This is perfect for correcting typos, clarifying task names, or even shortening titles for better visual clarity. The description field is where you can add more detailed information about a task. To access and edit the description, click on the card to open it. You'll see a section labeled Description. Click on Edit next to it, and a text editor will appear. Here you can type in detailed instructions, add links to relevant documents, create checklists within the description itself, more on that later, and even format your text using basic Markdown. Once you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Regularly updating descriptions ensures everyone on your team has the most up-to-date information, reducing confusion and streamlining communication. Now, let's talk about moving and reordering cards and lists. This is crucial for reflecting the current stage of a task or project. To move a card to a different list, simply click and drag the card from its current list to the desired list. A ghost outline of the card will appear as you drag it, and you can drop it into the new list in the position you want. This drag and drop functionality is incredibly intuitive and allows you to quickly update the status of tasks as they progress through your workflow, e.g., from to do, to doing, to done. Within a list, you can also reorder cards to prioritize tasks. Just click and drag a card up or down within the same list to place it in the desired order. This is particularly useful for highlighting urgent tasks at the top of your to-do list or arranging subtasks within a larger project. Similarly, you can rearrange the order of your lists themselves. Click and drag a list by its title to move it horizontally on your board. This allows you to organize your workflow stages in a way that makes the most sense for your project. For example, you might want to move a blocked list closer to your active tasks to ensure these roadblocks are addressed quickly. Beyond basic text editing and moving, Trello offers a range of powerful editing features that can significantly enhance your board's functionality. Let's explore editing labels, members, due dates, and attachments. Labels are visual tags you can assign to cards to categorize them based on priority, topic, team member responsible, or any other criteria you define. To edit labels on a card, open the card and look for the Labels option in the sidebar. Clicking on it will display a list of your board's labels. You can select or deselect labels to apply or remove them from the card. You can also create new labels, edit their names and colors, and even remove existing ones from the board through this menu. Consistent use of labels provides a quick visual overview of your tasks and allows for easy filtering and searching. Members can be assigned to cards to indicate who is responsible for a particular task. To add or remove members, open the card and click on Members in the sidebar. A list of your board's members will appear. Simply click on a member's name to assign them to the card, or click again to remove them. Assigned members receive notifications about activity on the card, ensuring accountability and facilitating collaboration. Due dates help you keep track of deadlines. To add or edit a due date, open the card and click on Due Date in the sidebar. A calendar will pop up, allowing you to select the desired date and time. You can also set reminders to receive notifications before the due date. Editing a due date is just as straightforward. Simply click on the existing due date and adjust it as needed. Clear due dates and timely reminders are essential for effective time management. Attachments allow you to link relevant files, documents, images, and even other Trello cards directly to your tasks. To add an attachment, open the card and click on Attachment in the sidebar. You'll have several options. Upload a file from your computer, link from a web address, or attach another Trello card or even a Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive file, if you have those integrations enabled. To edit or remove an attachment, hover over the attachment within the card and click the pencil icon to rename it or the X icon to remove it. Attachments keep all necessary information readily accessible within the context of the task. Now, let's delve into some more advanced editing features that can further streamline your workflow. Editing checklists and comments. Checklists are incredibly useful for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable sub-items. To add a checklist to a card, open the card and click on Checklist in the sidebar. You can give your checklist a title and then start adding individual items. As you complete each item, you can check it off, and a progress bar on the card will visually indicate how much of the checklist is complete. You can edit checklist items by clicking on them, reorder them by dragging, and even convert checklist items into individual Trello cards if a subtask grows in complexity. Comments facilitate communication and collaboration directly within a card. To add a comment, open the card and type your message in the Write a Comment field at the bottom. You can tag other board members using the @ symbol followed by their name to ensure they receive a notification. You can also add attachments and use basic markdown formatting in your comments. To edit or delete your own comments, hover over the comment and click the Edit or Delete button that appears. Comments keep all relevant discussions and updates related to a task in one central place, reducing the need for separate emails or messages. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.